I found these farmhouse style plaques at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to gently remove this stand that's in the back of each of them. They came off quite easy, and I'm going to take them off each of the four. I have four of them. Then I'm going to put them on their back, and I found this felt also at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut a piece that will cover all four at the same time. I'm going to put hot glue all over the back of each house shape, and I'm going to lay down the felt and allow the glue to cool. And then I'm going to separate each house from the felt using pinking shears so I have a nice edge. And I'm going to cut around each house so that I just have the felt on the back. And I did this with all four. I found this farmhouse, it has animals on it, also at the Dollar Tree. I ironed out the wrinkles, and I took strips that are wide enough for the house, and I folded it around the house. And then I'm just going to take my hot glue gun, and I'm going to run it around the edge of the house and start laying the fabric down so that it wraps around the house nicely. I don't want it too tight. And I'm just going to go around and glue down any loose pieces. And then I'm going to take my pinking shears and cut off the excess material along the sides. So now I have this little pocket here. I found these plastic silverware with the black handles also at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to slide them inside the pocket. I'm going to wrap jute around several times and then make a tie. And now you have this silverware little packet that you can add at the dinner table. Very farmhouse looking. So I'm just going to go through one more really quick, and I'm basically just gluing the material all around this little house, front, back, and sides, making sure I get no glue where the pocket is, putting in the silverware, adding jute. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.